On this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram or restricted certain activity problem. First thing, go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find a lot of the apps that you have on your phone. So don't worry, all what you wanna do is very simple. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it, and then click on this force stop option that you can see right here and go down. Click on data usage, enable all these options and go back again. Click on the storage, click on clear data and clear the cache. Easy peasy. And then go back, click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions here are enabled. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.